Hello, today is Monday, August 18th. (2025). There's some shrieking sound coming from streets downstairs. Right, I'm at the company. My company office is gym on the 4th floor. My office is located on the 3rd floor, so this is good place to practice English because no one is around at this time of the day. Sometimes there are several guys who are practicing calisthenics, weightlifting here, but not today. So it's a comfortable place, quiet, and a good view of the outside. Let's learn more about MP materials. This is my third reading for the day and also third reading on MP materials. I'm interested in buying some stocks of this company, but obviously the stock prices skyrocketed too much. So probably I'll just not buy the stock. But let's learn more about these companies so that we could be always prepared money-wise. MP Materials is America's rare earth magnetics champion. MP Materials is America's only fully integrated rare earth producer with capabilities spanning the entire supply chain, from mining to processing to advanced metallization and magnet manufacturing. Wow, fully integrated, right? It's a fully integrated rare earth producer. We extract and refine materials from one of the world's richest rare earth deposits in California and manufacture the world's strongest and most efficient permanent magnets. Our products enable innovation across critical sectors of the modern economy, including transportation, energy, robotics, defense, and aerospace. So this article is straight from mpmaterials.com, not from the Wall Street. Extraction. High-grade ore is responsibly mined and processed in Mountain Pass, California, through multiple stages of flotation. We produce a high-purity rare earth concentrate. Refining. The concentrate is separated and refined into high-purity rare earth compounds at Mountain Pass and reduced to metal. Manufacturing. Rare earths are combined with other metals to produce the world's most powerful and efficient permanent magnets at Independence, our state-of-the-art facility in Texas. So they haul the old metals from California to Texas, right? It would be about 2,000 kilometers away. So their state-of-the-art facility is called Independence. Elements for critical applications. Rare earth magnets power the industries that drive human progress: robotics, electronics, defense and aerospace, energy, right? About the automotive too. Neodymium magnets are the driving force behind electric vehicle drive motors, delivering unmatched efficiency and enabling the shift to sustainable transportation. Robotics. Magnet-enabled actuators bring robots to life, delivering precise, human-like motion control for advanced automation at work and home. Electronics. From smartphones to drones, neodymium magnets power the compact, high-performance devices that keep us connected and entertained. Defense and aerospace. From defense systems to aircraft, magnets enable mission-critical performance and national security. So aircraft, magnets, mission critical performance and national security. Energy, essential to wind turbine generators and high efficient appliances. Neodymium, right? Neodymium magnets transform renewable resources into sustainable power. So they use the neodymium even with renewable generator turbines. Founder led and owner operated, MP Materials is on a mission to restore the full rare earth supply chain to the United States. We collaborate with customers to build revolutionary products and the materials infrastructure that powers them, fully integrated for speed and efficiency, with end-to-end capabilities spanning mining, refining, and magnet manufacturing. We deliver unmatched scale, efficiency, and operational precision. Materials provenance you can trust. We set the standard for ethical, responsible practices, providing customers unmatched visibility and accountability in an otherwise opaque supply chain. Provenance. Materials provenance. What is provenance? Right? It has something to do with provision. Provenance, governance, provenance. Excellence in action, acquisition, execution. At MP Materials, precision is our foundation. With rigorous quality control, we reliably deliver the materials and magnets that power our customers' success. Reindustrializing America responsibly. From closed-loop water recycling to industry-leading safety performance, we are committed to setting new standards for environmental excellence and prioritizing our people and communities at every step of the journey. Explore sustainable efforts. MP Materials, contact with us. Yeah, I'd like to work with your company, right? I have a telecom background and mechanical engineering background, and I can speak good English, Korean, and HSK 3 level Chinese. I'm comfortable with foreign languages. Connect careers, resources, suppliers, investors. Let's go to investors section, right? Corporate overview. MP Materials is America's rare earth magnetics champion. MP Materials is America's only fully integrated rare earth producer with capabilities spanning the entire supply chain, from mining and processing to advanced materialization and magnet manufacturing. We extract and refine materials from one of the world's richest rare earth deposits in California and manufacture the world's strongest and most efficient permanent magnets. Our products enable innovation across critical sectors of the modern economy, including transportation, energy, robotics, defense, and aerospace. Okay. Let's watch their story.
Nikola Tesla once said, 1,000 years hence, the telephone and the motion picture camera may be obsolete, but the principle of the rotating magnetic field will remain.
Oh, sorry.
Nikola Tesla once said, 1,000 years hence, the telephone and the motion picture camera may be obsolete, but the principle of the rotating magnetic field will remain a vital, living thing for all time to come. These prescient words ring true today more than ever. Magnetics is synonymous with motion in modern life. It is the magnet inside the motor that makes your electric vehicle drive. It is the magnet inside the turbine that turns wind into energy. It is the magnet inside the drone that fuels its dance in the sky. It is the magnet inside the robot that precisely guides it across the assembly line, around a farm, or throughout your home. It is the magnet inside the MRI that creates the namesake magnetic field. And it is the magnet inside the mysterious and, in some cases, not yet developed defense technologies that keep us safe. It is the magnet inside that matters, and therefore, our lives increasingly rely on magnets and the special ingredients inside the most powerful and efficient magnets, rare earth materials. Without these vital resources, we will struggle to progress. Unchecked progress can have devastating consequences. Earth witnessed this with our era of fossil fuels and the internal combustion engine. But this ice age is ending. Across the world, leaders and consumers are pushing industry to decarbonize. And as we all accelerate towards a sustainable tomorrow, global infrastructure is moving towards electrification on every front possible. And if electrified motion is key to a sustainable future, magnets are not just important. They are critical to our success and to our very survival. Rare earth elements are 17 chemical elements with special magnetic properties. They are not rare, but they are very difficult and expensive to separate.
Right now, there's a single point of failure in the rare earth industry, and that's particularly crucial in the production of magnets, which are critical to so many modern technologies and military applications. The fact that 80 to 90% of that is produced in China right now means the US economy is dependent upon this single source of failure, which no matter where that is, that provides unacceptable risks. China is very good at operating in low-cost, competitive industries. They have all the infrastructure around that to support it. They also have a nationwide commitment to being leaders in this industry.
America led this industry for decades with this site right here at Mountain Pass. But due to cost of capital subsidies overseas in China, as well as different environmental standards, we lost our leadership, and this site fell into essentially disrepair and bankruptcy. MP Materials has humble beginnings. We acquired this site in 2017. It had 8 employees. It was in care maintenance. Nobody believed that we could compete against China, but we focused on execution, and we slowly, methodically, over time, rebuilt this. We have nearly 300 Americans proudly working on this site. When we acquired this site, we clearly realized that multi-billion-dollar supply chains don't move overnight. We had to have a long-term plan to restore this site successfully and sustainably. Our first stage, which is largely complete, was to relaunch the operations here. We now produce a rare earth concentrate product that represents 15% of the global supply. We are profitable doing so. Our next stage, which is underway, is to make separated rare earth products and optimize it to be a leader in global industry from a cost and sustainability perspective. Once stage 2 is done, we expect to generate a significant amount of free cash flow that will enable us to not just making separated rare earth products, but also magnets, so we can fulfill our mission of restoring the full rare earth supply chain to the United States of America.
Well, we know it's not a lost cause because we're doing it already. The steps that we've taken so far have proved that this company and this industry and this site can be successful. We're successfully competing against China now, and we're a low-cost producer in the world.
Producing rare earths requires lots of energy and reagents. Depending on the type of ore processed, rare earth production can lead to environmental challenges if not done thoughtfully, like here at Mountain Pass.
And one of our goals is to produce rare earths in the most environmentally sustainable way possible.
The sustainability standards that are here at Mountain Pass are second to none in the world.
Generally, industrial processes, there is an environmental impact. But we try to make the process of making them environmentally friendly. And we do that through recycling of water, reduction in reagents, production of our own reagents from waste byproducts, energy reduction, and other means. And we believe we're the most environmentally friendly rare earth mine and processing facility in the world.
We want to show that we can be not only a low-cost producer to the world, but also do so sustainably so that we don't have to sacrifice our ideals as Americans to compete on the global stage.
We do have an integrated site, so from mining to processing, producing the mineral concentrate, and then the ability to do separation all in one place is extremely rare. And given the scale of our operation, we're able to do it at an extremely low cost.
We are focused on neodymium praseodymium, which is the key ingredient to magnets for electric vehicles, wind turbines, the true growth industries of the 21st century.
Today, the market for NdPr that goes into permanent magnets, it's about 35,000 metric tons globally. If you think about the electric vehicle market, that's consuming about 5% today of the NdPr market. If you fast forward to 2030, we anticipate that could grow by almost 10 times. It would be 50%. Over the next several years, we have a really exciting opportunity to transform this cash flow stream from what is really a materials and commodity-based business today into a growing industrial business over time.
I love working here. The people who are here, who are passionate about this site, who come here and put in their heart and soul into ensuring that the company succeeds, being able to support them and help them and work with them is something that I'm really excited about and really proud of.
I love working at the mine. We're great coworkers, we're keeping everyone safe, and we're also being great stewards to the environment.
I love that our team is on a patriotic mission. Whatever your background, we all wear the American flag on our sleeves. We've overcome a lot of adversity to get to this point, but as a company, we really feel like we're just getting started. We take a lot of pride in doing something important for the country. We take a lot of pride in being able to compete globally while also being held to the most stringent environmental standards. Hopefully, MP Materials is one small example of a renewed, reinvigorated American manufacturing spirit.
Nice video. I would like to work for MP Materials when I retire from KT, my company, the number one carrier in Korea. Right, KT is good company and MP Materials is the second. So after I retire from KT, I would like to go to MP Materials so that I can be productive and make KT great again and MP Materials greater again. Thanks for listening. And have a great MP Materials Day today, Monday, August 18th, 2025.